We're crushing our coolest videos into bite-sized pieces for your inspiration and entertainment. I'm Grant Thompson, and this is King of Random Rewind. Hey guys, Grant here. Hope you enjoyed this compilation. If you'd like to see the full tutorials for these videos, we've got links down in the description. If you'd like to see another compilation, click the box up there. And if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and click the bomb. We'll see you in the next video. Talk to you then.